The 2018 Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, bucket seats, MP3 player, child safety locks, CD player, passenger airbag, rear head airbag, intermittent wipers. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.